About to pay at Lawson, but only have your Rakuten app? No sweat, I'll show you how to settle that bill. First, make sure your Rakuten Pay App is open and you're on the barcode display screen. This is crucial for the payment process. Head to the Loppi machine inside Lawson. It's usually near the entrance or back of the store. Look for the Various Services button, usually indicated by the words Various Services if the machine is set to Japanese. Tap that button. Now, on the next screen, find the Payment button, which might be written in Japanese. Select that option. The screen will now prompt you to scan a barcode. Locate the barcode reader on the Loppi machine. It's usually a red light. Hold your smartphone with the Rakuten barcode facing the barcode reader until the machine beeps, confirming the scan. The Loppi machine will display your payment details, including the amount. Confirm everything is correct, and then press the confirmation button. The machine will then print out a payment slip. Make sure to take this slip. Now, take the payment slip to the cashier and pay the amount due. You can pay with cash or card, as accepted by Lawson. Once you've paid, the cashier will give you a receipt. Keep it for your records. That's all there is to it. Enjoy your purchase.